The proposal could freeze all mining transactions and bring further uncertainty and distress to the industry. This after a deal was struck between the Chamber of Mines and the Minister to suspend implementation of the new mining charter to give Zwane's legal team time to prepare their legal case.
As I see it, this notice undermines the agreement that the Minister struck with the Chamber of Mines and effectively what it's trying to do is put Mining Charter 3 into effect, even though it's subject to this injunction application.
The Chamber of Mines has taken legal advice, which they say indicates that the notice constitutes an unlawful action for a number of reasons, including the damaging impact of the proposed action on the mining sector, and that the Minister is acting beyond his powers under the Mineral and Petroleum Resources Development Act.
As I read the section 49 of the Mining Code, I don't think it gives him the power to do this as a sort of blanket ban on all prospecting and mining rights indefinitely throughout the country.
The Chamber says it plans to write to the Minister to request his immediate withdrawal of the notice, failing which the Chamber will apply for an urgent interdict to suspend and review the notice. On an investor level, this isn't good news.
It's not just foreign investors. I mean, we act for South African mining, domestic mining companies. All their commercial activities effectively frozen because and that's the other bizarre thing about this notice. Although it gives the Minister, this section of the Act gives the Minister the right to freeze applications for prospecting mining rights, it certainly doesn't give him the right to freeze applications for the transfer of rights between companies, which he's purported to do under this notice.
According to analysts, the last thing needed in the mining sector at the moment is some more gazetting of documentation that's going to lead to more uncertainty. I'm Angelo Coppola for CGTN in Johannesburg, South Africa.